In the admin login there are some cards like in the master. In the award master we can create the record of the award name and the vendor name, and we can select type of the award, and start date, end date can be chosen, and some description in the article, and we can also add the attachments to that, and also we can uh, choose the status, and we can save the record. And next comes the award type. Here we can add uh, any new type of award to the database, and in the template, email template card, we can create a new template for the email to send. uh, then comes to status. Here we can add any other new status flag if the required. And in the department we can add a new department if there exists in the further. And in team we can create the hierarchy of the employees to their reporting managers.